Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you are doing awesome today. Now in this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the Realme 6 Pro. Let's begin. And welcome back guys, my name is Emmanuel, this is Geekception and I hope you are doing awesome today. Now this is the Realme 6 Pro from Realme Malaysia, which actually the pricing is not out yet. But before I get into all those other details and my first impressions, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you like what I do here. Leave a comment from what you want to see me cover with the Realme 6 Pro, and let's get into the unboxing. Now in the front of the box is Realme 6 Pro. And going on to the back of the box are the quick overview of the specifications of the phone. Removing the box and there is another box. Now this box contains a TPU case for the phone and the manuals, which I am never probably going to read. Next up is the phone itself, and I must admit, it has a bit of heft to it, which feels good in the hand. Well, let's put that aside first. Now, next up is the USB Type-C cable that, fun fact, has a yellow marking on the inside, which is actually pretty interesting. Next is the 30-watt fast charger, which is included in the box. Nice from Realme here. It also has yellow accents, if you're wondering, which is still also cool from a branding point of view. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing of the Realme 6 Pro here. As for the specifications, the Realme 6 Pro has a 6.6-inch display, and not just any display, a 90Hz refresh rate display, baby. Woo! Other specifications include running Android 10 with Realme UI on top, 6GB of RAM and 128GB UFS 2.1 storage, and finally it is powered by a Snapdragon 720G 8nm processor with Adreno 618 graphics. Now hold on now, don't go anywhere. I'm going to give you my quick first impressions, but before then, let's quickly take a quick tour around the phone. Now on the back of the phone are the quad cameras, which I will come to a little bit later. On the right side of the phone is a fingerprint scanner that also cosplays as a power button. Up front, you can find the dual cameras. A dual SIM slot and volume buttons are on the left side. And side note, I really like the positioning of the volume buttons. They are very easy to reach and are quite clicky on first impressions. A microphone up top is the only thing there. Going below is a 3.5mm audio jack, another microphone, a USB Type-C port, and speakers on the bottom of the device. Now, as promised is the first impressions, and the first thing I noticed when I first hold this phone is actually how hefty it feels. Like, it feels very solid, and at 202 grams, it's not the heaviest phone out there, but you know, when you hold it in your hand, you feel like, yes, I'm actually holding a solid device. Another thing I like is the fact that there's a screen protector pre-applied on the phone, so you don't need to worry so much about protecting your phone right out of the box. Now, this phone packs not one, not two, but 6 cameras, with one being a 64-megapixel module. So it will be interesting to see what kind of photos I'll be getting out of the Realme 6 Pro here. Now, since this is my first Realme device, it is my first time with the Realme UI here, so I look forward to bringing you my thoughts about that. And still on the matter of Realme, I want to also tell you about the performance when I actually do my full review. So let me know what games and tests you want me to run on the Realme 6 Pro here, so I can, add it to my list and get to it. Now, to conclude sort of my first impressions / roundup, I think I like that Realme included the 30-watt fast charger in the box here. Though my own review unit did not come with my own Asian plug here, it came with, I think, a US plug. So I had to go buy an adapter, but I don't think the final versions will have that. I think they will have the localized plug sets there. Now, if you're asking me for the pricing, sorry, I do not know, because as at the time I'm shooting this video, I'm not sure about publishing. There is no official price yet. So most definitely you know that whenever I know the price, I'll leave it either as in the description or in the comment as a pinned comment down there. And to round up this video, hopefully it's short enough, do let me know what your thoughts are towards the Realme 6 Pro. Is it something you would consider looking at the specs sheet? Is it something you like? Do you like Realme UI? What games do you want me to play? What performance tests do you want me to run? The camera, what do you want to see in the specific camera review? Do let me know all of this and more in the comment section down there below. And when you are there, Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss future content. We are all home right now because of the coronavirus, so hopefully you're doing well, you're staying home and staying safe and washing your hands, and hopefully this passes us by rather quickly. And if you've made it to the end, hashtag watch to the end, gang, do let me know, when do you think this whole thing is going to blow over? Do you think it's 4 months, 5 months, 6 months from now? Do let me know. I'd love to know your thoughts. And that has basically been it. I am Emmanuel, this is Geekception, and I shall catch you in the next one. Don't forget to be amazing. Bye.